everyone, Antoinette here, and welcome to my channel, Decorating Ant's Place. Today I'm going to show you how I decorate a two-tiered tray for St. Patrick's Day. You guys know I love to decorate a two-tiered tray. Now this particular one makes me a bit nervous because the trays on it are not perfectly straight. They go up at the ends, and when you're working with china and ceramics, sometimes the pieces sort of slide around a bit, and I'm always afraid that they're going to fall and possibly break. But I am going to use this because I don't know that I want to use a three-tiered tray for my St. Patty's Day tray. What I'm going to do in a future video, not too far from now, is show you how I decorate a whole tabletop with my St. Patty's Day decor. And so I don't want to use all of it or most of it for a tray. I would really like to do a nice big display on a tabletop in my dining room. So that's why I'm using a two-tier tray. And all my two-tiered trays do sort of come up at the edges, so I have that bit of an issue. But regardless, I'm going to start to decorate this with a few pieces that I have. And like I mentioned in a future video, not too far from now, I'll show you how I incorporate this decorated tray into my St. Patty's Day tabletop decor. So let's get started. Alrighty, so I'm going to start off with doing the top tier, and I'm going to take this little plate holder, place it right sort of in the middle. I would prefer this be off to the side. Of course, I have the issue of my ends of my tray coming up, so we'll place it in the middle. And to that, I'm going to add this beautiful green shamrock shaped dish, and it is made in Italy, and I really like this dish here. This was such a wonderful find. I love anything in the shape of a shamrock, a dish, anything. I just think they're so pretty, and that's maybe why I like to decorate for St. Patty's Day. But I will place this down right in the middle and hope that it stays. The next thing I will add is this little really pretty dish. It's a Fenton, and I hope you can see it okay. It's got little shamrocks on it, and this pretty lady dressed in green with a big beautiful hat holding green florals, and I will assume she is from Ireland. So I'm just going to place this down here. This is shaped in such a way that I think it will stay, but it makes me nervous without having any sort of support. So I'm going to take this double-sided tape that I have. I'm going to just cut off a small piece, and hopefully this will work. Hopefully I can sort of place it down and it will stay and not move around. Let's hope. Alrighty, it seems to be sticking. I'm always afraid to move them. So this is going to stay like that. And then the next piece I have is this that I bought at Dollar Tree. It came in a long elongated sign with some other pieces, and I decided that I wanted to take those pieces apart and use each one individually. So I'm just going to place our little lucky top hat right there. And this is very simple. That's my top tier, and that's it. So the next tier on the bottom here, I'm going to use this really pretty shamrock St. Patty's Day napkin I have. It's paper, and I'm just going to use it to sort of hang off of the side here and to fill up the look of our tray. So I have this gorgeous little candle holder, votive holder, and it's two-sided. It's got the one shamrock on this side, and then it's got the multiple cut out shamrocks here so that if you have your candle in there, the light goes through. I think maybe I would like to show this side, so I will just sort of place that in there, and hopefully that looks okay. You know me, I will always check it afterwards. I can't really tell what it looks like from this view, but I think that sits in there okay. And then our little leprechaun, I love this guy. So he's an egg cup. So his hat, you can actually put an egg inside. And he says, Lucky Irish Leprechaun. And so I'm going to just place him right down here. And then because he's an egg holder, I thought it would be cute to just place in a green little Easter egg. I have one green egg, so I will place that in there. And I often like to use Christmas ornaments throughout the year if they go with what I'm displaying. And since this is a fantastic emerald green, I'm just going to place that right in there, maybe on this side. Like so. And then I have these green beads that I'm just going to place right over here. And then I thought that I wanted to use these other really beautiful pieces that came with the sign that was with the top hat, but I don't know that I can place these nicely. I sort of tried to before off camera, and they just don't sit very well in there. So I will use these for something else on my tabletop decor that you'll see in my future video. So I think this is it. I think it looks quite cute. I hope you can see this okay, and you will see this displayed in my future video. But for this video, I really want to thank Carol of My Blessed Nest. She is the host of this St. Paddy's Day tier tray collaboration called Top of the Morning. And I love that she does these regular tiered tray collaborations because I do love to decorate a tiered tray. As you can see, it's so simple. It's really quick. You just need a handful of pretty items that you love, and you sort of stick them on a tray and just make them look pretty. You just have to sort of keep in mind, keep your taller items at the back, shorter items in the front. Try to keep it somewhat balanced. If you have something on the left at the top, try to maybe put something that's substantial on the other tier to the right. So you want to sort of do that wherever you can. And it's really very simple. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like this. Please let me know if you did. I always love your comments. Kindly give me a thumbs up if you did like this video. And if you haven't already subscribed and you've watched more than one video of mine on my channel, kindly consider subscribing. It's free, it helps out my channel, and I just love to entertain you. If you've been here more than once, perhaps you're being entertained, and subscribing is so incredibly appreciated. Thank you so much again to Carol. Thank you for watching. Please watch the playlist, which I will have linked in my description box, to see everyone else's top of the morning to ya tiered tray. Thank you so much.